Okay, boys and girls, I'm back with another video. This week's Math Daily Review will feature 8 new problems. Some are from last week, but there's some new ones. Okay, the first new problem is subtraction with zeros. So this is a classic one. There's 5 digits here. And your first problem is that you don't have enough ones to subtract 8 minus 1. You can't do that. And you have all these zeros here. So you can't regroup from those. So you go to the first non-zero, which is the 8 in the 10,000s place. So you borrow 1. You have 7 left. And you add 10 to the thousands place. But now you have to regroup from the thousands place. That will give you 9 left. And you add 10 to the hundreds place. And you have to do that again for the tens place. And again for the ones place. And you add 10 more. That's 11. Now you can subtract down. 11 minus 8 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. So your answer will be 25,433. So when you get problems like this week, remember you have to regroup several times. All right, here we had a double-digit multiplication problem last week, but just to review, you don't have to solve it using the standard algorithm. You can draw an array. And then once I draw my array, I can split it into parts. So 75 is 70 and 5. And 65 is 60 and 5. Then I have 4 products I'll have the product of 70 times 60, 70 times 5, 5 times 60, and 5 times 5. And then I solve them. And this is 25. And then I add up all the parts, all the products. And what I do is I line them up from smallest to biggest. Makes it a lot easier. And then I find my answer. This is 5, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 4. Okay, addition, we did that last week. You know what to do there. We have fractions this week, adding fractions. So what I would do here, I have 2 parts that are shaded to find the whole. I would count all the parts in the whole here, and that makes 8. So this would be 2/8 plus 3/8. And when you add fractions, you just add the numerators. So this is 5/8. And then I shade in 5/8. Okay. Now with division, same thing as last week. You can do the algorithm, or you can do pots of gold, or you can do the big 7. You get to decide. If you don't remember, go back to last week's video and check that out on division strategies. Now we have word problems with money. This is also something new this week. And I'll show you how to solve a problem involving money, because you're going to need to use decimal points. Vanessa bought a box of candy canes at the Santa store. If the box of candy canes cost $2.95, so I would underline that, and she paid with a $20 bill, how much change should she get back? Well, change, when you're finding change, you're going to subtract. So I would set it up $20. But when I write $20, I'm going to put in the decimal points. And I'm going to subtract $2.95. And it's just like subtracting with zeros. You're going to have to regroup all the way from here. Add 10 more. Regroup again. Add 10 more. And regroup one more time. And add 10 more. And then you subtract down. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down the decimal point, because that's 5 cents. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then this one comes down, $17.05. So when you do the math, make sure you have everything lined up. Bring down your decimal point. Make sure that you write down your decimal point in 2 zeros after you write $20. Don't forget to leave that out. And then number 7, you're going to write as whole numbers if there's improper fractions here. But we just add the fractions. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4/7. It's pretty straightforward. And then the last one is a 2-step problem. Number 8, all the problems for number 8 are 2 steps. So let's check it out. For Halloween, Janet received 28 pieces of candy from neighbors. So underline that. And 14 pieces from her older sister. And that's a joining word. And is an addition word. If she only ate 7 pieces a day, how long would the candy last? So first, how much candy does she have altogether? Oh, that's 28 and 14. That is 42 pieces of candy. But we're not done. She eats 7 pieces a day. That means every day. So she's dividing up the candy every day. So that's division. So the second step is 42 divided by 7. And you can do pots of gold to solve it. You can use facts that you know. But the answer will be 6. And then how long would it last? 6 days. The answer is in days. Not pieces, 6 days. Fix that Y there. There we go. Okay, boys and girls. So that's our video for this week. Hope that you have enjoyed this. And check out more in the weeks to come. Bye now.